Hi all, this is Naresh. Welcome back to my channel Technical Talks with Naresh. So today I am going to prepare a video on how to schedule the ESS job and how to change its schedule. Okay, so first we will see how to schedule the job, and if there is an existing schedule job, then how we can change the schedule for that existing job. That also we are going to see into this video. I'm just making this video because I got a lot of comments under my other videos that please make the video on this topic. That's why I'm going today through this. So in my previous video, I already shown you, or I already told you that how to create the ESS job. So today we will check that how to schedule it and how to change the schedule. Okay, if you want to learn the Oracle Fusion, and if you are new on my channel, please go through my Oracle Fusion playlist and please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay, continue to the topic. For achieving this requirement, I have to go to my Oracle Fusion instance first. So this is the home screen of my Oracle Fusion instance. So here we have to schedule the ESS job. Okay, so for scheduling the ESS job or for changing the schedule, we have to go to the ESS job. So here is a navigator icon. Just click on this navigator icon. Then I will get the option as in a tools. So I'm just scrolling down, and here it is my tools. So I'm just expanding this tools, and here is an option to schedule process. So by this schedule process we can schedule any type of an ESS job. So I'm just clicking on that schedule processes, so it will redirect me on the some other page. Okay, so suppose if you want to schedule any type of an ESS job, so that time you just have to click on this schedule new process. Okay, so it will ask you for the job name. So here you can give the job name. So I'm just giving the existing job which is present in my system. So I'm just giving its short name, refresh, percent, start, percent order, and then again percent. I'm just tabbing out. So if you tab out, so if there is any type of program, so it will give me that program name. So this is my program name, that is then refresh and start the order promising server. Okay, so order promising means when there are any type of an order progression, so we can do that. Okay, so I'm just copying this name on some notepad. So I'm just pasting it here, and I will write the heading as ESS job name. Okay, I'm going back to the Fusion instance and just clicking on OK over here. So this window will appear in front of you. Now I want to schedule this job, but there are a lot of parameters. So this parameter is nothing but the for which we have to schedule. So if I have to schedule for all this parameter, I have to click on all. Suppose I just want to schedule for internal transfer of the orders, so I just check this checkbox. If I want to schedule it for on hand also, so I will check this checkbox also. Okay, but I will just check any one of that checkbox because we have to just test the functionality. Then here is the option advanced. So you can click on this advanced option. So as soon as you clicked on advanced, so it will give you the this other tabs also, that is schedule and notification. So you can click on the schedule tab. So there are two options, as soon as possible, and the second one is then using a schedule. So we have to schedule it. So I am just giving it as an using a schedule. So it will ask you for the frequency. So as same as the Oracle apps R12. So here also there are the same functionality, once, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, any type of an user defined schedule. So I'm just clicking on the user defined schedule. Okay, so if you are adding a user defined schedule, so you can give the specific timings. Okay, but if you want to schedule it according to the any time period like hourly, minutely, so you can choose that one and you can give that time. So suppose I will schedule it for every 2 minutes. So I'm making this hour 0 and minutes as in 2. So I'm just scheduling it. So see here, it is the starting date, today's starting date 4:30 a.m. So the server is an UTC time zone, so that's why it is showing this time zone. Okay, so don't get confused about the time zone. It is not your system time zone, it is the server time zone. So here is a start date and the end date. So start date will be this only, and the end date, so suppose I want to schedule it for next one day. So I'm just clicking on 20 and clicking on OK. So it will take the tomorrow's timing. Okay, so I want to schedule it for a day, for every 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm just submitting it. So if you click on submit, so see, process, this was submitted. So this is my process ID. Okay, so if you want, you can copy also this one. Okay, and just click on the OK button. So as soon as you come on the same page, so if you refresh over here, so this is my job, refresh and start the order promising server. So here submission time, so I had submitted it at 4:32 a.m. and the schedule timing is at 4:34, because for every 2 minute frequency I had submitted. Okay, but it is not started yet because the timing is not completed here. So if it started, the timing will come here, and if it is complete, it will come here. So maybe it started, but we had not refreshed, so that's why. So if I'm just refreshing it, so see, now it is started. So what is the time? 4:34 a.m. UTC. So it is started. So it will take some time. It will also trigger some child requests also. Once that all the process will complete, so it will schedule for the next run. So we will just check for the second program to get it triggered. So see, now it had triggered some other child program, so which is completed, and this one our main program which is still in the running state. So I'm just refreshing again. It is in running state. So we can see that our program is completed. Okay, it went down. So see over here, my program name is in refresh and start promising. Its start timing was this one only, 4:34, and its completion timing is at 37. So it had took around 3 minutes. Okay, so if we go a bit up, so you can see that the refresh and start order promising server. So the next run is started at same 4:37. Okay, so as soon as it completed, it is started next one. So it is actual schedule timing is 36, because it is scheduled for next 2 minutes. So it is an first one is in 34, so it is 36, but it will start once the previous request will complete. So now it will also run for a few minutes, and it will schedule the next one. Okay, so this is how to schedule the respective program. But now I had scheduled this program, but for due to some reason I have to change the schedule, or I have to cancel the schedule. So that time, how we can do that? So for that, just go to here the hierarchy, click on this button, then after you can check the program here from your list. So see here, that is a refresh and start the order promising. So here is my program. If you click on this drop down, so it will show you the scheduled, all schedules. So see, I had scheduled it, so 2 times it got scheduled. So this was a success, so which is of 4:34 a.m. and this is for the 4:36 a.m. So this status is in succeed, and this is the running. So if you check for this one, so it will give you the child request also, which got submitted for this program. Okay, and the second one in the running state, and the child request is submitted. So you can refresh from here also. So if it got success, so you will get this success here also. Okay, so it is now in currently in, so let me expand it, success. So it is also success. So you can see the 4:36 one is success, and the 4:38 is in running status now. But now what I have to do, I just have to cancel this next schedule for this. So what I will do, I will just click on this main stream. So here is the main stream of our program, that is refresh and start the order promising. So just click here, then after you can check the status also, process in wait dispatch. So it is in a wait for the next program, and here is an process details, so you can get the all the details. So here is an edit schedule button. So if you click on this edit schedule button, so you can get all the respective schedules. So we had schedule for every 2 minutes, so all that schedules will be given over here. So you can see that Then after, if you want to change the schedule, so suppose from that 2 minute to I want to change it for 1 hour, so any custom times will be lost, are you sure? So yes, we are sure. So just I have to make it as a 1 hour 2 minute. Suppose I will make it as an 4 or 5 hour. Every 5 or 2 minutes I will make the changes, and now I am just clicking on this OK button. So as soon as we clicked on the OK button, so you will get this message that the schedule has been updated successfully. Just click on OK. Then again go to this hierarchy and check the schedule. Just go down here, click or here on this request, so you will get the detail. If you want to edit, if you want to check the schedule, click on the edit schedule button, so you will get this. So it is scheduled for this only this 5 hours. First one is on 4:32, second is 9:34, then 2:36 p.m, 7:38 p.m, and the 12:40 p.m. So now it is only 5. So if you want to change more, so you can click on change frequency again and click on OK. So this is for changing the frequency or changing the ESS job timings. But if you want to cancel this ESS job, so there is some other process. So just go again the hierarchy, go to your schedule ESS job, so this one again, and just click on here, and here is an action button, so just click on this action button. So here are few options that you can put on hold, you can cancel that schedule, you can edit that schedule. So the same edit schedule and this edit schedule is same. So I want to cancel this schedule now, so what I will do, I will just click on this cancel process. Okay, so what it will do, it will do the cancellation for us. Okay, so you can see that the status is cancelling, so it is cancelling, it is not yet cancelled. So if you just refresh, so after a few time you can get that it is cancelled, so you can see that it is cancelled. So by this way you can schedule any type of an ESS job, or you can change the schedule, or you can cancel the schedule of the ESS job. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can write into the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.